looking at people that they call so-called successful, and they only look at the glory, but they don't see the grind. You will never be what you were made and designed to be if you don't learn the power of adversity. And I know it sounds weird to say the power of adversity, because I know when I was growing up, people would say that challenge is bad, adversity is bad. How many people heard that? Of course you have. That's what we were told. But how many people also heard that taking the easy way out is also bad? So, I mean, the question is, somebody's lying. Which one is it? Either the challenge is bad or the challenge is good. And what I came to realize is some things that happen in our lives, why does it happen, we don't know. But it's about making you into something. This first book that I wrote at 18 years old, it's ironic, I called the book Daring to Be Different, 25 Tips for a Life of Success. It might make sense now, it didn't make sense then. I wrote this book at the end of my freshman year in college. I want you to hear me, y'all. I applied for all these internships. This was not my plan. My plan was, I was talking to a few young men up here at the front. They were talking about the internships that they want to apply for. And I really want you to hear me on this, because sometimes things happen and you wonder why, but it's really to bless you. I applied for all these internships, y'all, dozens. I got denied from every single one of them. Wow. Y'all, I was getting rejection letters from places I had not even applied. It was bad. All right? It was bad. And I said to myself, and somebody needs to hear this, I said to myself, what am I going to do with this whole summer? I can have a pity party, and I did, but the pity party can't last all summer. And you know what I said? I said, since nobody is going to give me a yes, I got tired of waiting for a yes. How many people have been there? People tell you, no, you're too young. You're not experienced enough. You can't do this. You can't do that. I got so tired of waiting for a yes and hearing all these no's. You know what? I decided I'm going to create my own yes. I'm going to create my own yes. Because you know what? I didn't need anybody's permission to write a book. I didn't need anybody's permission to do this. This is the first step to getting out of where you might be in. Understanding, doing what you can with what you have, where you are. Teddy Roosevelt said something I will never forget. How many people have ever heard of Teddy Roosevelt? Teddy Roosevelt's a phenomenal person. Somebody yell out, who is he? Okay, he's president. What else did he do? He's president. He was leader of the Rough Riders. I ain't talking about DMX, y'all. I'm talking about the people that went over there and fought over in Cuba. He was assistant secretary of the Navy. A lot of people don't know, though, he had a whole host of challenges in his life. He had children that died. He had a wife that died. And he said something profound. He said, do what you can with what you have right where you are. Y'all, that's step one. If you are at a point like me where you're getting tired of people telling you no, I want you to know you don't have to wait for somebody else to give you a yes. You can create your own yes. You have to find out, Gates Millennium scholars, hear me on this. You have to find what you can do right where you are.